question number 13. What is the major shirk? We said the greatest or the worst sin is the shirk. Okay, then the question, what is the major shirk? It means there is major shirk and minor shirk. The major shirk is to dedicate the acts of worship, such as supplication, etc., to other than Allah. So, dua, the supplication, is a worship. Slaughtering the sheep, the camel also is a worship. Seeking the forgiveness also is a worship. So if you ask these, or if you do these acts of worship to other than Allah, then this is major shirk. Wal-iyadu billah. May Allah protect us. So invoking other than Allah, this is major shirk. Wal-iyadu billah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, in Surah Al-Jinn, وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ فَلَا تَدْعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا. Al-Masajid for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So it means the worship should be for Allah alone. فَلَا تَدْعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا. Don't associate anyone in His worship subhanahu wa ta'ala.